Hello friends, in this video I am going to create an interactive quiz game application using JavaScript. So let's start with our application and I am going to use here MintServe. This is the AI agents code editor where we can use AI to generate the code, and I will show you each code how we can generate and how you can use the prompt. So first I am going to write the prompt for that, what my project goal is here. So I am going to create a quiz game, that is an interactive engaging activity where player answer the series of the question and then that player tests their knowledge on the particular topics, whether it's a general knowledge, yes, science, history, or any quiz game related maths, yeah, pop culture. So what technology I am using? I am using JavaScript. Why I am using? Because it's an ideal language and creating the quiz game because it allow you to easily create a dynamic and interactive content in web browser, and we can make the game responsive, interactive, and real time. And this JavaScript have a powerful technique to create an interactivity of the website and making it perfect tasks like tracking the score, validating the answer, and managing the timer. So in this tutorial, and also our project goal is there where we will create a quiz game that is engaging, means like a keep player interest and offer the fun, challenging, and exciting feedback. Then second is visually appealing, means UI element will make a game more enjoyable to play. And then easy to play, means anyone can easy can click, easy can play. This that kind of UI I'm going to make. And if I'll talk about the structure of the game, so there are the 5 structure there. First one is the question, where we appeal to the question based on the history, culture, whatever. Based on that we are going to show. Then answer option, means that is multiple choice answer there and player choose from the one answer, and then it will give the answer based on the whatever correct answer there. Then feedback, means once you complete your quiz, you will immediately get the feedback for the each answer. Then second, score, means we also keep the how many correct answer you have given. Based on that, we will give you a score. Then fifth step is their timer, means that is give the sense of urgency and challenge, and we will implement the timer so that player have a limited time to give the answer of the each question. So let's start and let's start creating this interactive project. So first what I'll do, I need to let's start, and I'm going to write my prompt. So I have already my prompt is there, only I am copy and pasting create, and I'll tell you what prompt I have given, and also this prompt I'll give you in description, you can use also. Creating a dynamic interactive quiz game using JavaScript. The game should have following feature: question, answer option, feedback, score, and timer, which earlier I have mentioned. And then based on that, I have also written some what visuality I want, what things I need to keep the track of all the things. So I have written this prompt. I will give you in description, and also responsive design. And I am also going to use HTML, CSS for that. So simply what I will do, I will hit this. I have selected the Cloud 3.5 Sonnet. It's a free version, so you can use this. Okay. Now I'm not here. I am here are two options there. Else you can chat, else you can write. So I am chatting right now, but I don't want to chat. I want to write. I've clicked the write button, and then I am going to enter my prompt, and then I will hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, it will start creating your project. So this is you need to understand how AI it will work. Okay, if you are a developer, a non-developer also can person able to work this kind of project. You can build your small project and understand how you can build this project. Okay, so see here, my HTML creation is already done. Yeah, HTML file creation is completed. Here see HTML index.html file is created, and here is asking accept all changes. If I will accept, then this code it will keep If I will reject, then again it will create new code. So I'm not going to reject, I'm going to accept. So I'll click here, accept all. Yeah. So my HTML file is created. Here see the file name is interactive quiz game, and then h1 tag is there, quiz game. Select difficulty, how many difficulties there, easy, medium, hard, and then after that score here is there, then timer is given 30 seconds, then question goes here, feedback hidden, okay, final score, play again, game over. So these are the things I have created in HTML. Now I am coming to style.css. Here also I need to select, okay, if you want to fix bugs and all, anything you can do it. So later we'll see how we can fix the bugs, if something it will come. Okay, so see here my HTML also creation is done based on that, whatever container, body, screen, hidden, h1, h2. See, whenever I want HTML things, this already I have done. Okay, nothing I am going to do, means I'm not doing anything else apart from without AI. Okay, see here media query also is using. See how AI is working here. Okay, I have accepted this changes. Okay, now coming to the script.js. Okay, this is my main file where question is there. See here already uh, random question is created by the AI, easy question and all. There medium question also there, hard question also there, and then after that means array kind of things is created, and that array calling to the here class quiz game, and then current question score, timer, time left, current question difficulty. Then whatever I'm going to interact with the DOM element that here is created. Then also we are handling the event listener that will handle the all the click button, restart button, and then a screen button. Okay, then start the game. Then one function is there, shuffle the question, means if you don't want, you want to go next question, then you can shuffle it also. Similar kind of functionality there. Because of that we are using random function, whatever random number you need to shuffle the option also available. Then load the question, shuffle the option, clear the previous option, create the new option button, hide the feedback, reset to start timer. So update the score, show the feedback, highlight the correct and incorrect answer. So each functionality my AI is created, and I need to validate it's a correct or not based on the whatever I have given the prompt. Yeah, hidden, correct, incorrect, everything is there. Then yeah, here updating the our score, then next question also coming, then ending the our game, that functionality. Then again it's showing the whatever we have done. Then last option there, initializing the game when the page is load. So yeah, so everything is looking correct. I need to accept the all the changes. Once I accept, yeah, I think my code work is done. I need to go. Yes, my code work is done. Okay, guys, you can also follow the same process, and then you can also easily build this kind of application using this. Using this Windsurf AI agents. Okay, this is a AI agent code editor, similar like a VS Code, but VS Code have a different kind of functionality there. Here you can use this free of cost. So if you are working somewhere, if you are a freelancer, so you can use this tool to do this kind of creation of your project. It is very easy without, if you don't know coding and all, also you can learn these things and then you can start. But if you are going to build a very large scale of project, but in that case you required to learn the coding, then you able to build. I am already a coder, so I know that how this functionality is working and all. Only for you guys I am making this video. So okay, first we go and check the our this file where it's there. Okay, this is our code. Okay, 1 second, this one I cancel. Yeah, everything is completed. So now I'm going to the our project folder, that is in a desktop. What is the project folder name? Code base. Inside code base I have created one folder that is called new code. Yeah, here is my project there. I'm clicking on this Google Chrome. Okay, see what is coming. See, my quiz game is created. I'm going to select the hard. Okay, see what is the smallest prime number of greater than 100. Which one is there? If I'll select 101, it will correct. But same, what is the capital of Bhutan? If I'll select, is it correct answer is a Thimphu, but I am not going to select Thimphu, I'm going to select Paro. There is an incorrect answer is coming. Which scientist proposed the theory of special relativity? Albert Einstein. Okay, it's correct. See here, I have a score means out of 3 is it will come 30, but I have one answer is my wrong answer was there. So because of that only 20 is coming. So this application calculation and everything is correct. Same thing means like whatever this I have given raw data. If you want to build similar kind of application, you can fetch from the API and then you can handle this kind of application. Also this kind of application you can post in your you can make in mobile app and then you can post. So this is very easy application, but using building this kind of application, it will give you confident and all how you can use AI agents. And because future is AI, so you need to learn how you can use, how you can fix the similar kind of bugs and how you can handle this kind of thing. So that is all the part of the generative AI. So if you are a coder, you can also learn. If you are a non-coder, you can also learn if you want to make your career in software industry. So these things required for the future, future projects and all. Definitely all the company are going to take this kind of tools in future. Now a lot of company already started. So guys, if you like this video, please hit our subscription button, and also if you have any question related to the any technology anything, so definitely come to our comment box and ask about that. So definitely I'll try to give answer. If something you want to make a video about any topic, definitely ping to our comment box. I will try to make video for that also. Thank you.